Blessed one. Yeah, man. Starseed is here again. So today we're gonna talk about Jamaicans and relationship on a whole. See? Okay. So nowadays, in a these relationship is totally different from relationship back in the past. Back in the past, you usually have love, caring, sharing, you know what I mean, these things. And, everyone was with each other, that them have that trust and that bond and that love, and them raise them kids and all these things. So now when the generation them now step up moving forward, right? And coming up till where we are now. These relationships are totally different. I would say about 70% of these relationships is running off a loss. Whether for money or loss for you already know. And so these relationships are run nowadays. Alright, for instance, say, and this go for both man and woman, vice versa. You buck a woman, I just talk from my point of view to make you have an understanding. Alright, in general, say a man buck a woman, right? And the man they probably have more than one girl where I talk to. Him probably is not a second man, him probably not even live with no woman. And him a run him thing, right? So him buck a girl and the girl probably fall in love with him and nice. But first of all, that man they go find out if that girl probably have some equity, some money, something. You understand what I say? For his assurance. You understand what I say? So, and another thing, enough man will just want to get a beat and probably want to beat it and others that him lost after and others. That's how the thing go. On the other hand, if a money, anytime that money gone, him gone, or she gone. You understand what I say? And that's how the thing run. Because really and truly in a relationship, you're supposed to love a woman, or a woman love a man, without even thinking about, certain activity. You don't even have to put romance in there, because the love one have for each other, you already know that included. But when your mind is not there, so, and you can oversee that and see within that person how much love is there for that person and how much love that person give you. That is love. You understand what I say? Nowadays, no for we say, love your baby love you. It's like, mean nothing. Bring no joy. When a person supposed to say I love you, it's supposed to open your heart up, make you feel joy, happiness. You just, that state of mind what I'm talking about. You understand? So, time gonna come again where we're gonna go back right to the old time. You know what I'm saying? Just a new version where love and trust gonna be there. You know what I mean? We all have to unite, and we know that. So until we all unite and come to a full understanding that there's bigger things and better things and more upliftment, because it's like we're here in a school in the box. You understand what I'm saying? So we just have to wake up, and realize what's going on and know that it's more than this. We are everything, God love us so much, and it's a lot of blessing. Alright, so until then, we build our vibes, and this is Starseed, and I'm out. Blessed.